If you need to cancel your Chime subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Chime website or open the Chime app on your mobile device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Management section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of the app or website. Step 3. Find subscription options. In the Settings menu, look for a section related to subscriptions or services. Here, you should see details about your current subscription and any options to manage it. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Click on the option to cancel your subscription. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so read any messages carefully before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After confirming your cancellation, you should receive a notification or email confirming that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep this confirmation for your records. Once you have completed these steps, your Chime subscription will be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime's customer support for assistance.